Hi everybody, today's video is my Hygger aquarium light. I am new in the hobby keeping fish in the aquarium. First, let me show you the fish tank that I use to keep turtle in it. My tank dimension is that length 70 cm, 27.5 inches, width 30 cm, 11.8 inches, height 33 cm, 13 inches, wall thickness 11 mm, 0.4 inches, light holder mount 23 mm, 0.9 inches. Let's see what I have in the box. User manual. My light is 30 LEDs and 13 watt. A thin aluminum head, a solid neck, two lighting modes, white and blue LEDs together for daylight, blue LEDs for nightlight, and two plastic screws. The charging adapter is of good quality and the cable is long and thick. As you might expect, installation is very easy. It has 24 white LEDs and 6 blue LEDs. It provides very bright and sufficient light. On the blue mode, just blue LEDs active, and on the white mode, all LEDs are active. I haven't bought any fish yet, but I want to show you my tank. As a result, I like it and even thought of using it in other places besides fish tanks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.